The short sellers just came heavily for PHN for today, guys. We've got a huge wick there. Before the market open, we've got a big seller over the 1675. That's why we didn't have the squeeze for today. So in today's video, we have to discuss, are we gonna have another shot to make the short cover around this resistance? Are we gonna have another pump up? Because yesterday we jumped almost 70%, and today we almost jumped almost 50%, but we pulled back. So there's another chance for this week, in the beginning of this month, a chance for another jump and squeeze for PHN. Some of you say we're gonna have the $100, some of you said the 50. However, the realistic price action, we're gonna discuss it today. And of course, we have to discuss DWAC, everybody, because this one is just preparing for another jump, because we have the first signal yesterday, after hours, of course, breaking from the 45, and of course, another buyer just bought there again for a discounted price for DWAC. So before we hit our video and start with the price action for those two stocks, hit the like button and the way in of everybody, don't forget, and share our video to anybody want to have an entry and exit for mini stocks. Again, this is not a financial advice, but we always warn our hunter for entry and exit for mini stocks. If we go here, we already did chart analysis update for JAX from yesterday. As you can see here, the price pumped, and after hours, after we did this update, before that, before the market closed, we did this update and we said take your profit around the 1844. And of course, today this one pumped down. That's why we always do chart analysis update, pre-market alert each day on our Discord and BitChart. So the link in comment section below if you want to join our hunter channel and our hunter community, that we always have alert before the market open and after we finish our live streaming on YouTube that we do daily 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, if you want to have a nice entry for those stocks, and of course you have free shares of stocks while buying those stocks, so win-win situation, you can buy them on Momo because you have 15 free stocks, and of course you have almost 8% APY. So even if you have money saved up on your broker, you get money almost 8% in gains just by putting your money in, of course, Momo. So seize this opportunity because this is a limited time offer. The link in comment section below to get those 15 free stocks. So let's dive right in and discuss first, guys, PHUN. What's going on, guys? As you can see here, we've got one test, second, third, fourth, and the fifth time, and the short added their position here. That's why we went down 23%. The good thing is the volume is picking up 22%. The funny part is PHN is 22 and DWAC is just 2. So what's gonna happen for PHN right now? First, we have to watch out for the 1237, the price that we reverse from, and the big market maker bought there. That's why the price that we should hold in this week is over the 1237. The good thing is we reverse before that today. So this is a really good reaction that we still have a big buyer holding the price over the 1237. The other thing is we need a confirmation for a breakout. This time, guys, if we don't want to have a fake out, if we don't want to get trapped in the bull trap like what happened here, guys, let me just show you what happened here exactly. And the market open, we've got this wick. Many traders entered here and got cut, of course, because this is called fake out. Why? Because the price didn't continue toward our profit taken almost the $20. This is not the problem here. The problem is when we're gonna have another test. This has always happened in the market. We have a fake out because we have big seller and we don't have enough buyers. This is simple. However, how are we gonna confirm that PHN will squeeze the next time? Let's discuss first DWAC, then we're gonna go back to PHN, and we're gonna give you the signal to confirm the next time for the next jump. DWAC look good. The volume is still light, so this one is still didn't squeeze yet. So there's a chance for a huge pump up. However, in the meantime, we need to hold over this breakout that happened, I think yesterday. Yes, yesterday that happened over the 45. So the 45 is technically our support right now. And the resistance is the 49.90. That's why we got rejected today on the market open. 49.90 or almost the $50 mark. So once we break the 45 or the $50, this is will give us the first signal for squeeze. And of course, we're gonna have almost 12%. Of course, you tell me, Jesus, come on, 12% is nothing. Yes, for the DWC is nothing because this is just the beginning. The first signal, once we break the 50, the second signal, once we break the 56.86. You know why? Because after that, we're gonna have the 72. And this is will give us a really good jump again, almost 30%. So 30% plus 10, you get the math. So watch out now for a breakout from the $50. It might happen like yesterday after hours, but if it didn't happen after hours, we have to watch out in the pre-market tomorrow. If we have a news dropped in the today and after hours, we might have a gap over the 50. But this will be even better signal that big market maker bought DWC. However, now if we switch to PHUN, the same. The 1237 is our support. The bottom, guys, is the $10, of course. The $10 is the psychological level. And of course, if we broke it, it means a bearish signal. However, even if we broke the 1237, the $10 should be our reversal zone and reversal zone, of course, and a big buyer will enter once again here. So this is another strategy. So there's many traders buying the dip, and many traders buying the rip. Buying the dip is mean waiting until the price go down, and many traders get in panic and selling. There's other trader sees the opportunity and buy this dip. So there's another opportunity. So once you see a market trend for any stock, there is opportunity to buy the dip, but you have to be strategic to enter at the right price, not just buying blindly. Every $1 go down, you buy. This is not a good way to trade. You're going to lose a lot of money. Watch out. However, in the time being, we have to hold over the 1237 and the confirmation. Right now, you're asking yourself, Jesus, come on, go to the point. What's the confirmation for a breakout? Of course, the breakout confirmation for PHN the next time is having a 5-minute green candle closing over this orange box, the 16 or the orange line, the 1675. So this is our current resistance. Of course, after we break this orange line with a green candle, 5 minutes, it means we're gonna have a continuation for this time and not a fake out like this one. However, we're gonna have a breakout like that one. Let me just show you. Let me just copy this one. Man, I love this one. Let me just copy this bar. Okay, let me just take this and that. Perfect. Visualizing is the best way in trading. Let me just put this there and bring it there. Perfect. This is what we want, guys, like this. We need a breakout like that over the 1675, and this is the 5-minute green candle closing over the 1675, and this is will be game on. Is mean the market maker bought, the short seller covered, and of course after that we're gonna have another 5-minute candle to go toward the $20, and after that we're gonna have another pump if we don't have a pullback around the 1997. Even if we have a pullback is okay as long as we hold the 16, then we go toward the 23.93. Let me just check how much we can do from this breakout. Almost 41%, like what we did today before, of course, the pullback that happened on the market open. So this reaction should happen this week, guys. We couldn't wait longer here, because if we linger longer here, the short seller will have this opportunity to short PH on down. So we need a catalyst. We need some news to give us the push up. The catalyst, the news is really important to any stock to pump up. So now we have to watch out for this signal. I don't need even know about the news if I have 5 minutes. Green candle close over to 1670. Boom, game on. Like what happened here after we broke the $10, it was game on, guys. After we broke here, we have haltation even. This is even a better signal for a huge pump up. So if we have even haltation here around the 1675, is me game on for PHUN to squeeze up. I'm not saying that $100. See what I said here? I said the 23.93. I'm just discussing the price action in just one day, not 1 week, because after 1 week, everything could happen, guys. Everything could happen. We might hit by meteor. We might have black hole sucking the sun. Everything could happen in just 1 week. That's why I'm just focusing on just one day. The smaller the time frame, the better prediction we have. The bigger time frame, a lot of chaos, a lot of unpredictable events could happen, and of course will affect our trading and entry zone. That's why I'm focusing, guys, about the price action in just one day. For tomorrow, at least for a few days before the end of this week. Top. After that, the next week, everything could happen in the weekend. So watch out for those price action, guys. And of course, we're gonna do update for both those stocks tomorrow in pre-market before the market open, and our Patreon and Discord daily. So link in comment section below if you don't want to wait and lose the opportunity for many stocks. And of course, after that, we're gonna take it on our YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.